Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm super excited today to bring to you the finish of another kit. I finished something, and I finished it before the end of the month, so I'm super excited about that. You can see here I have all of the drills. This was my Bubble Girl kit from Bella Art Diamonds, and I'll stick a picture over there of the original artwork. This is one that you guys kind of voted for me to work on, and I have to say I'm super happy with her. So first things first, here's all my leftover drills. I had plenty of drills left over. I didn't run out of anything. Even the ABs that there were a lot of, I thought I would run out, but I didn't. So there are like 5 ABs, 6, 7 ABs. And there actually is a fairy dust drill. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but in looking at this one on the canvas and everything, these are fairy dust drills. Like I said, more than enough drills, even though some of them I didn't need very many of, more than enough drills to finish everything. There were, I think, 49 colors in this one, and this one took me a fair amount of time because it was square, so squares are always just more fiddly for me than rounds, but got it finished. I did have more trash than usual with this particular kit. I had the pinks and the peaches had a lot of tabs and ones that were stuck together, and then also ones that had like holes in them. So there are some that are concave, some that are stuck together. You can see right there, those two are stuck together, some little pieces. So just kind of a variety of all the little trash drills. There's a round one that's stuck in from somewhere. So a little more trash than I was expecting, but for the size of the kit, not bad. So let me get the finished kit and we'll talk about it. So I can't fit the whole canvas on film, but I will, as always, take some B-roll so that you guys can see it. This is 55 by 55. And I just love how she turned out. I think my favorite part, besides the colors of her hair, is her eyes. I think just the kind of big, doughy, naive, anime type eyes, I think they did a really good job of rendering them. I like her little kind of dark purple eyebrows here. She's got this cute little button nose and this cute little octopus with his little smiley face right here. So lots of different ABs. There were white ABs, of course, here in her eyes, her teeth, all over her hair, in the bubbles. Of course, there are pink ABs and everything. And I don't know if you can see, but it's this color right here on the canvas. It looks like a fairy dust drill. It's just got that little extra sparkle to it. Pretty sure that was number 600 if I remember right, but anyway. So we just got all these bubbles. We've got all of these awesome ABs all through her hair. There's this pink AB here. We've got white ABs. And then of course there's like 2 different yellow ABs in the octopus. There are some green ABs in her dress, her little top that she's wearing, the little choker, the little ties that go around and everything. But it's just super cute. I had a lot of fun with this one. I'm going to move her up a little bit here so you can kind of see the little octopus here. He's so cute. And just all the little bubbles and all the little sparkles. It was actually way more confetti than I thought it would be. In looking at the image, you know, you think, oh, well, all this blue is going to be multi-placing. A lot of her skin is going to be multi-placing. A lot of the octopus will be multi-placing. The biggest thing is her hair. And it is just a lot of confetti, as you can see, because you've got all these little strands coming off. She's got her cute little buns tied up at the top and the little waves kind of everywhere that you see. It just made it really challenging and didn't go as fast as I wanted it to. Now, once I started at the bottom like usual, and it was a lot of her hair and her top and everything. So there was a lot of confetti in the bottom half, and then I started working my way up. Once I got to where this blue background was, there is quite a bit of multi-placing there. You can see this big section here. This big section is all one color. Kind of up at the top is all one color. This section over here is all one color. So I did get some multi-placing in, but like up here, there's like 3 or 4 different shades of peach before you kind of get into what the actual color of her forehead is. Down here at her chin, you can see there's different colors of shading for the shadow under her neck and everything. Same thing along her collarbone here. Just a lot more confetti than I was expecting. So it took a lot longer, and it was square, so those always take me longer too, because I just always spend more time fussing with the square drills than I do anything else. But super happy about this. I think there was a great number of ABs. I didn't add any extras. I thought about it, but I thought with 7 that was going to be plenty. You've got ABs all through her hair, ABs all through the octopus. All the bubbles have some ABs on them. Her top has ABs, and I just thought that's probably enough. Again, I just love the way that her eyes turned out. I think those are the favorite part. That and her nose are my favorite part of this whole painting. The octopus is cute, but I really like the way that her eyes turned out. So a huge thank you to all of you for encouraging me to do this kit, because she probably would have sat for a little bit longer just because she's square, and I tend to avoid those just because they take longer. But I'm really glad that I worked on this one. I think it turned out really well. I don't know if I'm going to frame this one or she'll just end up going into a portfolio, but either way, I think she's super cute and I'm happy that I finished her. And I finished her before the end of the month, so I get to add her in to my number of finishes and all of the diamond painting hours and all that good stuff for the month of February. So that's awesome. So leave me a comment and let me know down below. Do you think the 7 ABs was enough? Do you think I should have added in a few more? What do you think about the little octopus guy here? I think he's super cute, but she's adorable. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.